gentlemen, let's have...
Gusto, Norma, happy birthday. Masaya tayo masaya. Importante, sana ay tayo makalimunin Diyos. Gusto, Norma, sana ay pamandi ka sa akin, babang birthday. Sana maapayan. Papanitan. Salamat.
Ladies and gentlemen, up next we have Mr. Ding Sapang.
Match yata, kapamilya tanda kumari ko po ipan. Happy birthday, happy kumari ko pa. Sana, ngayon sabihin ko, kakasa tayo dito. Palagi tayo masya, mumunayin door, kaya nagawag tayo. Alam mo muna ka dito, para magsanay, hindi kaya kasama. Happy birthday, Lee, kumari ko. Alright.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. And
happy birthday, Mari Nestor and Mari Norma. Tunay na pinagpala kayong mag-asawa dahil nakikita natin ang pagpapala sa inyong mga pagmumukha na yung edad ninyo ay hindi ninyo itsura. Although si Pare Nestor, pag tumayo siya, doon pa lang makikita ko yung medyo mahina yung tulo niya. Pero ang wish ko ay patuloy na palakasin ka ng Panginoon. Lalo na yung mga tukod, makalakad ka ulit ng normal, at patuloy kayong pagpalayan ng Diyos. Thank you.
thank you very much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, up next we have Mr. Rodolfo.
Salamat po. Karentinado Kelly. Brother and sister, kumpare, kumari, diyan ko magpapasalamat na yung kumpare tayo talaga pala, nakalulog karera pa. Ito, parang pakalo, parang pakatan. Salamat, pare kumari, happy birthday. Kaya sana nasunta pa yung takala panahon, hindi na umiyabi ang dapat. Brother and sister, kumpare, kumari, maya pa ang dalang kugay. Salamat.
Thank you very much, sir. And
Max, happy birthday. Max, happy birthday. Wishing you in good health and some more blessings to come. Salamat po.
thank you very much, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a round of applause for our roses. And up next, ladies and gentlemen, this time we are moving forward with our next tradition this afternoon. These are, of course, our candles. And so, that is our Mommy Norma's candles. Now, ladies and gentlemen, of course, as we celebrate the birthdays of Daddy Nestor and to them, to the heavens, by of course lighting candles for our birthday celebrants. Ladies and gentlemen, gagawin po natin, we will be calling our candle presenters in front. They will say a short message, and then I believe Daddy Nestor will be dancing with them for a short while. Kanina po, we saw Mommy dancing with our roses. This time, we'll see Daddy dance with our candles this afternoon. And of course, the candles are more than just beautiful sources of light, dear friends. They carry deep symbolism, especially for this day. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's call on our first candle this afternoon. Panapan po natin the lovely daughter of our birthday celebrants, Miss Princess Pritchard. Panapan po natin.
good sense of me. I just pray na ibigay ni Lord ng strength and comfort for this season. And lagi niyong tandaan, mahal na yung buhay.
Alright, thank you very much. Mrs. And may we invite you to dance with your dad for just a short while. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman natin Daddy Nestor and of course, Miss Princess Richard.
Po sa inyong kay at nanay. And sana po, bibigay pa po kayo ng Lord ng mahabang buhay po. Tsaka, maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal niyo sa amin at sa inyong mga ako po. Yun lang po at happy birthday sa inyong dalawa.
Thank you very much. Body of our celebrants ngayon. Palakpakan natin si Miss Lorna Oregon.
Birthday, both of you. That's correct. They are my travel buddy. If they travel, kasama nila ako. Kasi they're like a parent to me. And he is the only living sa mga magkakapatid. So, thank you so much for your life. I pray that God will give you more years to celebrate because I want to be a part of your travel again soon. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Alright, so may we invite Daddy and of course Lorna.
Salamat ang isa sa mga tulong mo sa amin. God bless you more sa iyong pinangkian. Sana bigyan pa tayo ni Lord ng mahabang buhay. Stay humble and healthy and fit. We love you.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Gusto ko mag-greet po, brother, Nestor, and sister mo. It's a celebration ng Ito natin that si Lord ang nag-create yung buhay at siya rin magbubuha. So, ang sasabi ko lang po is, sabi ko sa Isaiah 64:4, sabi ko ng Panginoon, even to your old age and gray hairs, I am He who will carry you. I am He who will sustain you. I have made you and I will rescue you. So, whatever po yung mga dadaanan natin, God has blessed you with long life. No, long life lang yan.
Afternoon po kaya kamuhan at Ate, Kuya, we are so blessed. Kasi 76, 79, maraming bonus ng Lord. Wish ko kayo kayong madwa, miyabe kayo pang malagba. Kasi minsan, hindi ko mas ganyo pa ni, ikamay-kamay na tagalan na yung siganan. Vice versa. Wish you all the best. Health, wealth, love. Happy birthday to all.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Happy birthday po kay Nagwa, Mr. Norma and Brother Nestor. I would like to take this opportunity po para magpasalamat po sa kanila kasi po sila na po yung nagsilbing pangalawang parents ko po dito dyan po sa Dolores. So, salamat po, God bless you po at bigyan po kayo ng mahabang buhay. At alam ko naman yung lagi po yung hinihingi niyo yung good health. Yun lang po. God bless you.
Good afternoon po sa lahat. Lolo and Lola, happy birthday po. Your life has been a testimony of God's goodness kasi alam namin lahat, especially your family, kung paano kayo nagsimula and looking at how you have succeeded. Talagang, it's a proof that if you dedicate your life to God, truly His goodness and His mercy shall follow you all the days of your life. May God continue to bless you with good health and long life po so you can continue to be a blessing to many. We love you po. Happy birthday.
Alright, I will have my candles of our couple to join us back here in front. Thank you. And its final phase of our the preparations for our sumptuous dinner, which will happen in a short while, and we have one more tradition to go. But before that, meron akong pwedeng ipamigay na papremyo ngayong hapong ito. Alright, so napakasimple naman po na gagawin natin today. This time, I will be asking you to bring me certain items. Okay? So kapag meron kayo ng item na dinala ko, I will be, or na hiningi ko, you get to win a prize. Okay? Namimigay po ngayon ng ating birthday celebrants ng vacation package. No? 3 days, 1 night, trip for 2 to Boron. So hindi ba kayo gagawin mo? Tahimik ang paligid sa riwa ang hangin, 3 days, 1 night, trip for 2 to Boron.
Totoo yan.